Hi, I'm Darren Jones. I'm going to show you how the CrystalBlast Discharge Kit works. Here are the assemblies that come with the kit. One is the trap. You can see on this, you got a door on the bottom that opens and closes. That's what allows your dust to fall into the bucket. That actually screws on to any CrystalBlast dust collector. Anything with a threaded coupler like you see here on the machine. The other parts that come with it is a discharge hose, and this actually connects right to this coupler, like that, and then the other end goes on this. So this is how your assembly works underneath the CrystalBlast machine. Inside here I have a lining, just a regular lining you use for your garbage can, so that way when the dust is full in there, take the cap off, tie up your dust, throw it in the garbage. Now this is the way it works. You take this unit, take your white cap off that was on there initially, which is this, you just unscrew that. Here's your discharge assembly, put that on, and you're going to screw it on. Got it nice and tight. Give it a good spin there. Okay, you want to get access to this slide pole down below, so whichever way is easiest for you. So here you get the hose attached to the lid. It's got a little hose clamp there. Just tighten that down with your flathead screwdriver. Now this attaches then to the bottom of the dust hopper. So it just goes on the same way. Push it on. You have a hose clamp there. Tighten down on that. And the final step is to put your bucket on. You have your line bucket. I use the one that comes with the kit right here. So what you do is just set this underneath the machine. Close the lid. And there you have it. So now that the CrystalBlast Discharge Kit is fully assembled, I'm going to show you a little bit of how it works. First, you take the cap off, right? Throw that in the garbage. You're not going to need it any longer. Right here you have the trap door. Down below, see this little black bracket? It's closed right now at the moment. I have a lot of dust in there. You know, you're going to do this probably once a year, maybe once a month, depending on usage. But you're going to pull that back, and you're going to see dust fall. It's got a clear tube to see it come through, and you're going to empty your bucket. You probably do this again 6 months, 12 months, every so often, just to follow up on it. Again, the other tip is, if you want to get it to come down quicker, just hit your reverse pulse. You can really see it come down faster. That's the CrystalBlast Discharge Kit. Exciting, eh? apart. Can't put my foot.